Looking for the ultimate hunting knife in 2026? In this countdown, we're revealing the top 10 best hunting knives of 2026. Blades chosen for their toughness, razor-sharp performance, reliability, and real-world hunting ability. Stay until the end because our number one pick is the best hunting knife of the year and a favorite among serious hunters. Let's get started. Number 10. Buck 119 Special. Taking the number 10 position on our countdown of the top 10 best hunting knives of 2026 is the legendary Buck 119 Special, a knife that has remained one of the most trusted hunting companions for generations of outdoorsmen. First introduced decades ago, the Buck 119 has earned an iconic reputation through its proven performance in the field rather than flashy advertising or modern trends. Even in 2026, when the knife market is filled with advanced steels and high-tech designs, this classic fixed blade continues to stand among the very best because it consistently delivers reliability, precision, and durability where it matters most. Hunters across North America and around the world continue choosing the Buck 119 because it performs exceptionally well during every stage of a successful hunt, from field dressing and skinning to processing game around camp. Its timeless design has proven itself on countless hunting trips involving deer, elk, wild boar, antelope, and other large game, making it one of the most respected hunting knives ever produced. Every detail reflects Buck's long history of manufacturing dependable tools that last for decades. The knife features a 6-inch clip-point blade crafted from Buck's premium 420HC stainless steel, a material that has earned widespread respect for its excellent combination of toughness, corrosion resistance, edge retention, and ease of sharpening. Number 9. Gerber Downwind Drop Point. Earning the number 9 position on our countdown of the top 10 best hunting knives of 2026 is the Gerber Downwind Drop Point, a modern hunting knife that combines traditional outdoor styling with dependable performance and rugged durability. Designed specifically for hunters who demand precision, comfort, and versatility in the field, the Downwind Drop Point has quickly become one of Gerber's most respected fixed-blade hunting knives. Whether you're tracking whitetail through dense forests, pursuing elk in rugged mountain terrain, or heading into the backcountry for a multi-day hunting expedition, this knife is built to perform when every cut matters. This steel has earned an excellent reputation among hunters because it delivers a reliable combination of corrosion resistance, edge retention, toughness, and easy maintenance. Hunting often exposes knives to blood, moisture, dirt, and changing weather conditions, making corrosion resistance especially important. The Downwind's stainless blade handles these challenges exceptionally well while remaining easy to sharpen after extended use. The drop-point blade profile is one of the biggest reasons this knife performs so well during hunting tasks. Number 8. Cold Steel Master Hunter CPM 3V. Taking the number 8 position on our countdown of the top 10 best hunting knives of 2026 is the outstanding Cold Steel Master Hunter CPM 3V, a fixed-blade hunting knife that has built an exceptional reputation for its incredible toughness, razor-sharp performance, and unmatched reliability in the field. Designed for serious hunters who demand premium performance under the toughest conditions, the Master Hunter is a knife that combines rugged durability with precision cutting ability. For years, Cold Steel has been known for producing hard-use knives capable of handling extreme abuse, and the Master Hunter is one of the finest examples of that philosophy. Whether you're tracking deer through dense forests, pursuing elk across rugged mountains, hunting wild boar in thick brush, or processing game deep in remote wilderness, this knife delivers the confidence and dependability that experienced hunters demand. At the center of the Master Hunter is its beautifully crafted 4.5-inch drop-point blade made from premium CPM 3V tool steel, one of the toughest blade steels available today. 3V has earned legendary status among knife enthusiasts because of its remarkable impact resistance, outstanding edge stability, and exceptional durability. Unlike many ultra-hard steels that become brittle under heavy use, 3V was specifically developed to absorb tremendous abuse while maintaining a razor-sharp cutting edge. For hunters, this means the knife can process multiple large animals without requiring constant sharpening while remaining strong enough to withstand accidental impacts with bone, joints, or dense wood. Number 7. Benchmade Saddle Mountain Skinner. Securing the number 7 position on our countdown of the top 10 best hunting knives of 2026 is the exceptional Benchmade Saddle Mountain Skinner, a premium fixed-blade hunting knife designed for hunters who demand precision, durability, and outstanding craftsmanship. Benchmade has earned a worldwide reputation for producing high-quality knives trusted by military personnel, law enforcement officers, hunters, and outdoor enthusiasts, and the Saddle Mountain Skinner is one of the company's finest hunting models. Every aspect of this knife has been engineered to make game processing faster, cleaner, and more efficient while remaining durable enough to withstand years of demanding outdoor use. Manufactured from premium CPM S90 steel, the blade offers exceptional edge retention, excellent corrosion resistance, and impressive wear resistance. One of the greatest advantages of CPM S90 is its ability to maintain an incredibly sharp cutting edge through extended use, allowing hunters to process multiple animals before sharpening becomes necessary. Number 6. Ka-Bar Becker BK16. Taking the number 6 position on our countdown of the top 10 best hunting knives of 2026 is the rugged and highly dependable Ka-Bar Becker BK16, a knife that perfectly bridges the gap between a dedicated hunting knife and an all-purpose outdoor tool. Designed by legendary knife designer Ethan Becker and manufactured by Ka-Bar, the BK16 has earned an outstanding reputation among hunters, bushcraft enthusiasts, survival instructors, and backcountry adventurers for its exceptional durability, practical design, and outstanding cutting performance. Unlike many hunting knives that focus solely on skinning or game processing, the BK16 is built to handle every challenge encountered during a hunting trip, from preparing camp and processing firewood to field dressing game and food preparation. This incredible versatility has made it one of the most trusted fixed-blade knives for hunters who spend extended time in the wilderness and prefer carrying one dependable blade instead of several specialized tools. In 2026, the BK16 remains one of the finest hunting knives available because it consistently delivers strength, reliability, and performance in real-world outdoor conditions. At the heart of the knife is a beautifully balanced 4 3/4-inch drop-point blade crafted from premium 1095 Crovan high-carbon steel. This steel has long been respected for its remarkable toughness, impact resistance, and ease of sharpening, making it an excellent choice for demanding outdoor use. Number 5. White River Firecraft FC4. Claiming the number 5 position on our countdown of the top 10 best hunting knives of 2026 is the outstanding White River Firecraft FC4, a premium American-made fixed blade that has earned an exceptional reputation among hunters, bushcraft experts, wilderness guides, and outdoor professionals. While originally designed as a survival and bushcraft tool, its outstanding balance, razor-sharp edge, and ergonomic design have made it one of the most dependable hunting knives available today. Whether you're tracking white-tailed deer through dense hardwood forests, pursuing elk across high mountain ranges, hunting wild boar in thick brush, or preparing camp during an extended wilderness expedition, the Firecraft FC4 delivers exceptional performance from sunrise to sunset. In 2026, it continues standing among the industry's finest because it successfully blends hunting precision with survival-level durability. This advanced powdered steel has become one of the most respected materials in the knife industry because it delivers an outstanding combination of edge retention, corrosion resistance, toughness, and ease of maintenance. For hunters, these qualities translate into fewer sharpening sessions, cleaner cuts, and dependable performance throughout long hunting trips. Whether field dressing multiple deer, skinning a mature elk, quartering wild hogs, cleaning fish, or processing smaller game, the FC4 maintains an impressively sharp working edge while resisting corrosion from blood, moisture, and changing weather conditions. Number 4. Bark River Bravo 1. Earning the number 4 position on our countdown of the top 10 best hunting knives of 2026 is the legendary Bark River Bravo 1, a premium handcrafted fixed-blade knife that has become one of the most respected hunting and outdoor knives in the world. Built in the United States and known for its exceptional craftsmanship, the Bravo 1 has earned a loyal following among professional hunters, wilderness guides, military veterans, bushcraft instructors, and serious outdoor enthusiasts who demand absolute reliability in the field. While the Bravo 1 was originally designed as a survival knife, its outstanding cutting performance, ergonomic design, and remarkable durability have made it one of the finest hunting knives available today. 3V tool steel has earned legendary status within the knife community because it withstands demanding outdoor use without chipping or cracking while maintaining a razor-sharp cutting edge for extended periods. This allows hunters to process multiple large animals before sharpening becomes necessary, an important advantage during remote hunting expeditions. The Bravo 1's signature convex grind further enhances its outstanding cutting ability. Number 3. Fallkniven H1. Securing the number 3 position on our countdown of the top 10 best hunting knives of 2026 is the exceptional Fallkniven H1, a premium hunting knife that perfectly represents the legendary craftsmanship and engineering excellence for which Fallkniven has become famous. From the frozen forests of Scandinavia to the rugged mountains of North America, the H1 has earned a reputation for reliability that few hunting knives can match. Whether you're pursuing elk across steep alpine terrain, tracking whitetail through dense hardwood forests, hunting wild boar in thick undergrowth, or processing game during extended wilderness expeditions, the H1 delivers the confidence and precision that experienced hunters demand. The heart of the H1 is its beautifully crafted drop-point blade measuring approximately 4 inches, a size many professional hunters consider ideal for processing both medium and large game. The blade is constructed from Fallkniven's renowned laminated cast stainless steel, an advanced laminated steel that sandwiches an extremely hard cutting core between 2 tougher outer layers. Number 2. Reeve Professional Soldier Fixed Blade. Taking the number 2 position on our countdown of the top 10 best hunting knives of 2026 is the remarkable Reeve Professional Soldier Fixed Blade, a premium knife that perfectly blends world-class craftsmanship, exceptional cutting performance, and legendary durability. Every knife that leaves the Reeve workshop reflects an uncompromising commitment to precision engineering and meticulous attention to detail, and the Professional Soldier Fixed Blade is no exception. Although originally designed with tactical reliability in mind, its outstanding balance, razor-sharp cutting ability, and compact yet highly capable design have made it one of the finest hunting knives available in 2026. Whether you're field dressing a white-tailed deer, skinning a mature elk, cleaning wild hogs, processing upland game birds, or handling camp chores during an extended hunting expedition, this knife consistently delivers professional-level performance in every situation. Unlike oversized hunting knives that become tiring during long processing sessions, the Professional Soldier is compact enough for excellent control while remaining robust enough to tackle demanding outdoor tasks with confidence. At the heart of the knife is a precision-ground drop-point blade crafted from premium CPM MagnaCut stainless steel, one of the most advanced knife steels available today. MagnaCut has quickly earned an extraordinary reputation among knife enthusiasts because it successfully combines exceptional edge retention, outstanding corrosion resistance, impressive toughness, and remarkable wear resistance into a single steel. Number 1. Winkler Knives Belt Knife. Claiming the number 1 position on our countdown of the top 10 best hunting knives of 2026 is the exceptional Winkler Knives Belt Knife, a masterpiece of American craftsmanship that has earned an outstanding reputation among professional hunters, military operators, wilderness guides, and outdoor enthusiasts around the world. Designed by master bladesmith Daniel Winkler, this knife represents decades of experience, practical field knowledge, and uncompromising attention to detail. Unlike many hunting knives that prioritize flashy styling or oversized designs, the Winkler belt knife focuses entirely on real-world performance, exceptional balance, and long-term reliability. The heart of the belt knife is a beautifully crafted drop-point blade measuring approximately 4.5 inches, a size many experienced hunters consider the perfect balance between precision and versatility. Rather than emphasizing extreme hardness, ADCRV2 was selected because it performs exceptionally well during demanding outdoor work while remaining highly resistant to impact and chipping. Hunters appreciate knowing that the blade can endure accidental contact with bone, repeated processing sessions, and countless campsite tasks without compromising its structural integrity. One of the knife's greatest strengths is its superior heat treatment. which maximizes the steel's performance while maintaining an ideal balance between durability and cutting efficiency. Those are our picks for the top 10 best hunting knives of 2026. Which one is your favorite, and which knife would you take on your next hunt? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos on hunting gear, survival equipment, and outdoor essentials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.